Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want to show you how to make adjustable fabric bra strap at home. So I'm using this bra ring and adjuster, also this fabric. This is non-stretchy cotton. You can use stretchy cotton or this ready-made bra strap. These are ribbon elastic, but not everyone actually having this in their home. So definitely if you want to make fabric strap, you can easily make that. So I'm gonna show you how to make this is very easy, guys. I don't have to explain anything. You can just learn by watching it. So yeah, I'm making a adjustable fabric bra strap for home. You can actually make this strap for any top as well. If you're making like camisole or any crop top, you can use this.